5 ways to reduce kapha from the body. These are kapha dosha pacifying practices. The number one practice is going to be going into the bathroom and taking care of your oral care ritual. We're going to start with tongue cleaning. This is by far my favorite Ayurvedic practice. You want to hold the tongue cleaner on both ends and place the tongue cleaner towards the back of your tongue and gently scrape the ama, or the toxins, the film, forward and out of your mouth. Wash the tongue cleaner and then you can put it away. You can repeat it about 5 to 7 times and before you put it away. And then go on to oil pulling. Pavani has this awesome cinnamon oil pulling, which is one of my favorites. And you just want to take about a teaspoon or a tablespoon, if you're hefty like me, and add it to your mouth and swish between your teeth continually for about 5 to 15, maybe even 20 minutes if you're really rocking it. You can do some dance moves. You can do it in the shower, however you wish. Super important though, you want to spit it out in the trash because you don't want it to get clogged in your toilets. The next way to reduce kapha from your body is going to be your nasal care routine. And we're going to start with Neti pot by adding some Himalayan salt to your Neti pot and then adding warm water. And you definitely want to stand over the sink or in the shower when you do this. And you're going to add the spout to one nostril and tilt your head until the water goes up and over until it comes out the other nostril. And you're going to want to do this on both sides, but you want to let the water kind of drain through your nose and each nostril before moving on. You're going to need to repeat adding the salt and warm water to the neti pot when you switch nasal passageways. And then after this, immediately add some Nasya oil. And this is where you take some medicated oil and you can add a few drops into each nostril, a little on the left, a little on the right. And then you basically inhale it deeply and kind of massage the outer passageway of your nose to get the oil moving on the inside. Breathe in, feel refreshed. Third on my list for the reducing kapha from the body is going to be some Vinyasa Yoga. Anything with movement, you guys. Exercising, go for a run, go for a hike, but Vinyasa Yoga is so great to reduce kapha from the body because it utilizes breath to movement. It is one of my favorite practices, especially in the winter time when we have excess kapha energy and we just want to move and get our body flowing and open. Vinyasa Yoga is one of the best ways to do this. Even if you're on your mat for 10 minutes, 20, or 30, every minute is worth it. So hop on there when you have a chance. After doing some yoga, you're going to want to grab your Garshana gloves and hop in the shower or the bathroom to practice dry brushing. So you're going to want to grab your Garshana gloves and remember you're going to use circular motions along the joints and long strokes on the limbs. It's best to brush towards the heart when you're practicing Garshana to assist the movement of lymph in your body, applying light pressure as well. The Garshana gloves that I'm using in this video are actually super awesome. They are raw silk gloves and they're used to offer the face and body like a traditional Ayurvedic dry massage of Garshana. The silk is what is traditionally used. So incorporating like a 5-minute Garshana massage into your daily routine will help you exfoliate and tone the skin. Not only that, but it'll stimulate your lymphatic system, which is basically like our body's sewer system, and it'll help increase the blood circulation, combat cellulite, release accumulated toxins, and increase your energy. It is one of the most underrated practices and one of the best to help reduce kapha from the body.
And then we're going to do some Abhyanga. Lastly, we are going to do Abhyanga with a kapha body oil because it has lighter oil, so it's perfect for this time of year to help stagnation of the kapha energy. We're going to add some oil to our hand, and just like with dry brushing, we can move from our limbs towards our heart and our digestive system. So I'll start on my legs.
Who doesn't love Abhyanga? It is literally one of my favorite. I do it every single day. To be honest, sometimes I do it after my shower as well, but this time I'm doing it before so I can demonstrate for you guys. After you finish a full body Abhyanga, however you choose with your kapha body oil, you are going to want to step outside of the bathroom and just find like a seat, preferably on a towel because you are covered in oil, and just relax for about like 15 or 20 minutes. Let the oil infuse into your body. Let it give you all that goodness, especially during this time of year. It's great to help cleanse and just like rehydrate your body in a nice way. So after about 15 or 20 minutes, sitting on your towel and letting all the goodness infuse into your body, you're gonna wanna hop into the shower and take a nice little rinse. Don't use any soap, you don't need any of that.
But just let the water kind of roll down, give yourself a nice little rub to remove any of like the excess oil, and then hop out of the shower, pat yourself dry, and then you're good to go on your Kapha pacifying practices.